નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, વિકસે વિલસે સૌનું જ્ઞાન ચાલો રચીએ સૌ સંધાન સંધાન કાર્યક્રમમાં સીસી અને કન્વર્ઝેશનલ ઇંગ્લિશના આ ભાગમાં આપનું સ્વાગત કરું છું. દોસ્તો, આજે આપણે નોન વર્બલ કમ્યુનિકેશન પર વાત કરવાના છે અને મારી સાથે સ્ટુડિયોમાં હાજર છે પ્રોફેસર એચ.આઈ. સરવૈયા. હું એમનું સ્વાગત કરું છું અને સરવૈયા સાહેબ હવે આપણને નોન વર્બલ કમ્યુનિકેશન ઉપર વાત કરશે.
Very good morning to all of you. In the earlier lectures, we talked about communication in general, and in the next lecture, we talked about verbal communication. And today, we will talk about one more step ahead in communication, which is extremely important when we talk about communication and conveying messages, that is non-verbal communication. So, let us begin. Look at the slide, please. Definition non-verbal communication ni apne kariye to always this line comes that when we don't use words, it's non-verbal communication. Verbal communication ma apne written communication ni વાત કરીએ, oral communication ni વાત કરીએ, when we are using words. But in non-verbal communication, we don't use words at all. અને એટલે જ આજના અમારા લેક્ચરમાં we are going to speak less and show you more videos which will convey the actual message what non-verbal communication is. You are conveying a message but you are not using words. You might use your hands to express your message. You might use kinesis, that is body language. You can use your proxemics. These are non-verbal characteristics. Let us look at the video and let us see that how nicely a message is conveyed by a mime. Please.
Hot town, summer in the city, back of my neck getting dirt and gritty. Bend down, isn't it a pity? Doesn't seem to be a shadow in the city. All around, people looking half dead, walking on the sidewalk harder than a match head. But at night it's a different world. Go out and find a girl. Come on and dance all night. Despite the heat, it'll be alright. And babe, don't you know it's a pity the days
Wow.
can't be like the nights in the summer.
Statue of Liberty.
In the city, in the summer, in the city.
Yeah.
Cool town, even
See,
in the
this is
city.
called art of mime. Art of જ્યાં તમે બોડી લેંગ્વેજથી તમારી વાતને લોકો સુધી પહોંચાડો છો, લોકો સુધી કમ્યુનિકેટ કરો છો અને ફક્ત ને ફક્ત ફિઝિકલ જેસ્ચર્સની મદદથી આ તમે જુઓ પેલો માણસ તરફ એના ફિઝિકલ જેસ્ચર્સથી ડોગ બની ગયો છે. તો ઇટ શોઝ કે અને આ જો એ ડિઝોલ્વ થઈને પાછો નીકળી ગયો. પેલો માણસ ખુરશી બની જાય છે અને વાત જે પહોંચાડવી છે એક્ઝેક્ટલી એ જ સ્વરૂપમાં આપણે સામેવાળા વ્યક્તિને પહોંચાડી શકીએ છીએ. This is wonderful. Excellent.
Summer in the city, back of my neck getting dirt and gritty. Bend down, isn't it a pity? Doesn't seem to be a shadow in the city.
Elephant, yeah.
Walking on the sidewalk harder than a
No.
match head. But now it's a different world. Go out and find a girl. Come on and dance all night.
આમાં ક્યાં શબ્દોની જરૂર છે?
It'll be alright.
There is no need of using words.
Okay, friends. So, what we saw just now is just an example. It was an example of mime. And this is a typical characteristic of non-verbal communication.
Exactly.
Not only the figures which they were making, you can also include some music, to just give a more effect to the whole piece of your communication. So, non-verbal communication is usually understood as the process of communication through sending and receiving wordless messages. Means you are sending messages, you are receiving messages knowingly or unknowingly, but your message is wordless, and that's why they fall into the non-verbal category of communication. Now if you look at the next slide, In this, again we are going to see a video, a beautiful piece of a message encoded in non-verbal form. No words are used here, except in the last, the written caption comes while, but before that, you understand the message. And I'm showing you this video because it's beautifully made and it conveys a beautiful message. I won't speak more about it, better you watch it. Now the music also adds a flavor. Look at the faces. He's driving a car. Oh God. My. Oh no. Seatbelt. So message was simple, but the effect of the message depends how you put your message. It's not always when we use verbal messages you communicate properly. Many a times this happen, that you can convey your message strongly, emotionally when you use non-verbal cues in your communication. So now let us come to the few verbal lines to understand non-verbal. So in non-verbal communication, we can say it includes facial expressions, when you use your eye contact, your tone of voice, your postures, your motions, your positioning, that is space you use within your groups when you talk. So when you use verbal messages, at the same time you are also adding your facial expressions, your gestures and postures while you talk. And it adds, when I am saying it adds, and when I am moving my hand like this, it actually adds the meaning to my verbal message. So it supports my verbal messages as well. Next to that, in a broad sense, we can say that it may also include the way we wear our clothes, or sometimes the silence we keep. So silence itself is also a part of communication. J. Krishnamurti nicely said that silence is the best communication. And when we pray to God, it's always silent prayers, which reach God strongly. There are more than 7 lakhs forms of non-verbal communication. Verbal communication na forms to है ज, when we write, and when we read, these are the verbal messages. But non-verbal communication, in comparison to the verbal communication, this is quite wide in range. 7 lakh forms of non-verbal communication. Have you seen Pushpak, friends? Pushpak was a pure piece of non-verbal. There was no single dialogue throughout the movie.
And the wonderful actor of India.
Wonderful actor, yeah, Kamal Hassan. He did
yeah.
really a fantabulous job here. Look at the clip.
ફિલ્મની હિરોઈન કમલા એક શોપની અંદર શી ઇઝ પર્ચેસિંગ એના કાનના બુટ્ટીઓ પરચેસ કરી રહી છે સિલેક્ટિંગ અને કમલ હસન જે ફિલ્મનો હીરો છે એને એ જુએ છે બંને અજાણ્યા લોકો છે અને
she's
છતાં પણ.
making faces,
હા.
because sometimes she likes Kamal's support and sometimes
Exactly,
she doesn't.
exactly.
So that's nicely shown. I mean, throughout the movie, because of the time given to us, we can't look at the longer
Whole
clips.
sequence,
So
yes.
look at the slide, please. See, friends, these are the basic three elements of communication throughout the day. એવું કહેવાય કે બિઝનેસ કોમ્યુનિકેશન હોય કે આપણું રૂટીન લાઈફમાં જે કોમ્યુનિકેશન હોય એમાં વર્ડ્સ દ્વારા આપણે માત્ર 7% કોમ્યુનિકેશન કરીએ છીએ. બાકીનું જે છે 55 plus 38 એ ટોટલ કોમ્યુનિકેશન that falls into the non-verbal part. So throughout the day we talk by words 7% and without using words, that is by body language, using your gestures, postures, etc., that is 55%, and by voice tone. Now we have to understand this. Voice tone in the sense that when we use some words, that is considered as verbal communication, but the tone of the voice, that is non-verbal. Say for an example, if I am saying please, please, that is a verbal piece of communication, but my tone when I speak please, if I change the tone, the meaning differs. So the tone of the voice, that falls into the non-verbal category, while the word itself falls into the verbal category. And as you know, it's only 7% throughout the day, we communicate verbally. Now let us talk about the characteristics of non-verbal communication. Fine. It is said that non-verbal communication, in which we primarily communicate emotions and attitudes. Your anger, your guilt, your happiness, we generally show primarily in non-verbal communications. And it is easily shown. Say for an example, if I am happy in conveying a message and I use verbal message to convey the message, but at the same time my face and my whole body, my gestures, my postures also communicate something, and that is more effective than the words themselves. So
Exactly.
what we can say is that primarily it conveys your emotions easily. Next to that, your attitudes. Say for an example, there is a limitation as well. In non-verbal communication, you can't convey specific messages, so your emotions are easily conveyed, and non-verbal communication is more reliable as well. But still, there is a limitation that if you want to convey a specific piece of communication, you have to use the words. Say for an example, look at the line. This, if a manager wants to convey a message to the team that the sales meeting is coming up next Monday, now such messages can hardly be conveyed by non-verbal communication. You have to use words. But whether you like the meeting or you don't like the meeting, that can be easily conveyed by your non-verbal cues. It is also said that non-verbal communication signs and cues are so complicated that no dictionary can actually classify them. Non-verbal messages are ambiguous. Ambiguous in the sense that sometimes they convey more than one meanings. You want to say something else, but the message reaches in different context, different manner to some other person. આપણે પુષ્પક મૂવીનો હમણાં પીસ જોયો અને એમાં કમલ હસન છે, he makes a sign at the end of the clip કે ભાઈ પેલી જે કંઈ કાનમાં પહેરવાની બુટ્ટી છે, he likes it, so he makes a message like this. Now this, as we talked in the last lecture also, કે આ છે એ nice અને beautiful message convey કરે છે. But if you go to some other countries, it will be considered as offended, I mean, because it doesn't look good when you make a sign like this. It conveys some other meaning. So it is ambiguous. Say for an example, thumbs up. Say for thumbs up, when we raise our thumb like this, it's always we understand that it's all the best.
Best of luck.
Yeah, best of luck, congratulations sometimes, and all kind of this.
Keep it
But
up.
yeah, keep it up, that is also one message. But if you go to a distant village,
Exactly.
જ્યાં બચ્ચાઓ રેસ કરતા હોય અને એમાં જે બાળક પહેલો રેસમાં આવે એ બાકીનાને
ઠેંગા બતા રહા है वो.
ઠેંગા, that is ઠેંગા,
ઠેંગા.
તો contradictory meaning થયો. One is congratulation, the same cue is used for that I have won and you are defeated. એટલે that is very ambiguous. Non-verbal cues, all of them, I mean most of them are ambiguous. There are some signs which are universally same. Look at the next point, please. So, as I was telling you earlier, કે non-verbal messages છે એ તમારા verbal messagesની સાથે સાથે જાય. જેમ કે મેં હમણાં વાત કરી હતી કે હું જ્યારે કંઈ બોલું છું ત્યારે મારા હાથ અને મારા ફેસ એક્સપ્રેશન, મારી eyes, even my eyes also support my message, or sometimes it contradicts. So look at the slide. It substitutes your message, verbal message ને substitute કરે. દાખલા તરીકે તમને કોઈ પૂછે કે ભાઈ મેનેજર સાહેબની કેબિન ક્યાં છે અને તમે તમારા હાથ દ્વારા બતાવો જેસ્ચર કરીને, તો યુ ડોન્ટ નીડ ટુ સ્પીક, તો એ સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ કરે છે. સમટાઇમ્સ ઇટ કોન્ટ્રાડિક્ટ્સ. જ્યારે તમે ખોટું બોલતા હો તો તમારા યોર આઈઝ, યોર ફેશિયલ એક્સપ્રેશન્સ, ઇટ ઇઝ ઇઝીલી શોન કે યુ આર લાઇંગ, યુ નો. તો ત્યારે ખ્યાલ આવે કે ઇટ કોન્ટ્રાડિક્ટ્સ. સમટાઇમ્સ ઇટ એમ્ફસાઇઝિસ યોર મેસેજીસ, યોર movements, your gestures, it gives more support to your messages, verbal messages, and sometimes it regulates your verbal
એટલે
messages.
ગુડ ઓરેટર એને જ કહેવાય કે જે પોઝિટિવલી એના તમામ